Hey, Bella. Good morning, everybody. I'm sorry, talking to my dog. Welcome here to the channel. Welcome to Sports Talk Network channel, and specifically to this continuation of the Adventure Life series. Today's installment is, as you see by the title of the video, eating some scrambled eggs. Again, sorry I have to do that. It's just me and the laptop. Anyways, okay. So as yesterday, things I'm already trying to progress, maybe too fast. Hopefully, you guys are enjoying these videos. I know I myself am, so I to look back on already doing well. Something I also, whether I brought up in the last video or I was talking to family about, but probably I did bring it up, so I'll bring it up hopefully for the last time. But still, the upper gums of mine have probably already been cutting a lot for the last 2 years, even with the bad bottom teeth that I've had. So my first bite yesterday, whether of the oatmeal or of the toast or the muffin and the stuff I've been eating the last couple of days, trying to get back not into a regular diet of mine, but just a general eating regular food, as I call it. Not that applesauce isn't regular food or soup, that's good. I loved applesauce and soup as a kid, especially tomato soup with grilled cheese. It's a simple meal, but a fun meal. Whether you're 6 years old or 26 years old or whatever, it's always great. I'm sure I'll have it when I'm older, whether I'm married or not. At 86. So, the point is, I like that stuff, but I'm just talking about in regards to after surgery, get back to a swing of things. Still might be a little bit till I have McDonald's a hamburger again, or for the first time, whether with the dentures or just with the gums. Um, I have an appointment in September, and here I go, bottoms up. I have an appointment in September that I'm petting my dog. Hey, Bella, how you doing, girl? Um, in September that I have for molding and making dentures, to show that I am actually petting my dog. Hey, Bella. Oh, she says hi. Bella says hi. But anyways, bon appetit. You know what? I'm gonna cheat here. I think I know how to say it. What do you say? Never mind. Google Translate sometimes is my best friend at times. Let's go. Alright. Scrambled eggs a little bit harder to find without teeth. And I'm not just saying because anything hurts. It's just I feel they are breaking up, so something's happening. If that makes any sense. But no, it's going pretty well. But whether I have teeth or not, I always using a fork cutting them up. That's nothing new. My favorite thing I used to get or enjoy in regards to breakfasts, whether making them at home style made, or at a fast food place, or well, McDonald's, their bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddles. Bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddles. Sorry if you couldn't hear that first time. Um, and sorry for the last few videos not having my microphone that usually comes with the series, having that microphone and better audio. Let me know if I sound better with or without it, because I don't usually watch my own videos back, unless, I'm watching them down the line or something, seeing my progress or something and containing to this series. But I don't know, as much as that microphone is helpful, it's great. It seems like here without it, my voice can carry better. I just actually have to speak up on my end. But in regards to eating, going well. Still taking a while, but yeah. So, but so far so good. I want to keep on this positive track. Like I said in the other video, if you have any idea what type of video you want me to do next or stuff, just let me know in the comment section below. Or leave a comment, question, or concern. I always like hearing from people, whether it's with my sports podcasting or other videos. Same thing here with this series. That will continue on. It might not be, daily like it's been here for the last couple days. And maybe I don't have to show when I eat like everything. But I just thought, hey, might as well for the first few things. Especially when I tried these things again for the first time with the waist bench. When I get that, far down the line. I wonder that'll be. And during that time, strengthening up my bottom gums. I might not be, obviously I'll still be looking forward to it so I can have a smile and this and that during the day. And when I go to work, whenever I do find a good job again. Otherwise, I probably won't be hired many places. If I still just have this, I understand perception and stuff. But yeah. No, but no, all in all, today's gonna be a relaxing day. I think do around the house. But anyways, what I still like to do, like for me when I'm taking these bites, is trying to like set it in the middle and then chewing. My way to try to strengthen the gums. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry, for the silent moments, but gotta chew. But I hope hope to hear from all you all. And so far, it looks like this series is, I guess, popular in a way. But either way, I do it as much for myself as I do it for anybody else, to be quite honest. But all in all, hope you all have a great rest of your day. See you in the next video, which probably will be tonight. When I'm gonna have my try to have a first frozen dinner, like a Hungry Man or whatever that I have upstairs in the freezer, and see how that goes. Anyways, hope you all have a great rest of your day in the Bubble House. As always, take care.